Hi everyone, Joe Levine here, professional photographer and educator. My subject today is a hollyhock leaf that I found in my garden. What drew me to this was the really fun texture throughout. So let's take a look at how I did the shot. Now I will admit, when I was setting this up, I first started with a dark background, then I went with something colorful. In the end, I went with a almost white surface, a little bit of a pattern to it, and then I added a piece of frosted glass over the top to kind of help with the lighting. Now with the lighting, it was important for me to have a nice natural light, very similar to early morning, late afternoon, or evening, where there's a single beam of light just moving across. To do that, I have a LED light. It does have a projector front on it narrowing down the beam, and like a bank shot in pool, it's going into my primary reflector. And this one's doing a great job creating that single beam, but I wanted a little bit more punch or pop out of it in some areas, so I added in a second reflector. This one is smaller and almost mirror-like, so it gives me a nice little pop with some highlights and some dark shadows. Now, speaking of the shadow side, part of it got a little dark. So another reflector comes in, and it's just catching some of the other light. And with that, I can just fine-tune a few things and see what we have.